Hi. I don't know about you, but sometimes when I'm riding on the bus or when I'm waiting for a doctor's appointment and I got some time to kill, I like to whip out my doodle pad. In this case, I'm using the Hahnemuller pad, and it's great because I can just put it in my pocket and it's there waiting for me when I need to use it. So, one of the things I like to do is what I call the mosaic pattern, and you can do it in with any shape or size. But I first off I use my trusty pencil to sketch in some shapes, kind of like you do when or you see um, mosaic. And you can turn anything into a mosaic. Um, when I'm riding on the bus going to and my doctor appointment, I will. I'm using the Thule art in this case, kind of a broad tip because it has more weight. I like to vary my point size. That way, it's given me more variety as opposed to one size fits all. And remember to um, reposition your paper when you need to. So basically, a mosaic is a kind of um, broken up. This part I'm going to be using a 6. But anyway, a mosaic is normally with tiles, but we're going to do it with pen and paper because it's a lot easier to carry around. So I like to have like jagged edges. You can have it uniform shapes and sizes. And introduce a shape that wasn't initially part of the mosaic pattern you first drew out, but that's okay. So I have some big ones, some small ones, vary up the size and overall shape. Just have fun. Now I note that with a mosaic, you have the grout that's between the tiles, and we'll add that shortly. But basically, just have fun doing it. And this is sped up, so again, take your time. And if you have to stop for a bit, that's fine. You can go back to it anytime. And if you're enjoying this video, hit the like button, because YouTube likes it when you do that, because it'll send out more notification to more people. Okay, so that's the basic mosaic layout, and I used the 6 for this part, and you can still use the 6, but I find that using a small one is fun, because that way you can include your grout. So that I'm using number 3. So to round out the edges, and as you do that, you can add what looks like grout. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. The only downside I would think is the amount of time adding in the grout, or thickening up where the edges come together. See the difference between that and that? Like I said, this is sped up, so take your time. No worries. And if you miss a spot, that means that grout isn't as thick in that area. I came up with this idea as because I ride the bus a lot, and the same route pretty frequently, and on the bridges that we go under, they have big mosaics on the walls, which I think are cool. Now I'm using the Thule art because its pigment is very good and it's permanent. So if I want to go over it, um, my doodle with watercolor or intense pencils, or even like a regular colored pencil, I don't have to worry about the ink smearing. So some ink is not permanent, um, but most of them are. But I find that a couple of brands that say they're uh, waterproof aren't, which is kind of disappointing. So I go with what I know, and these are great. Looking good so far. I like it. What do you think? You like this type of pattern? And if you do you think you will use it? And you can um, do it by yourself or include it in a larger doodle as filler. My goal with doing patterns for you is getting you an idea of what you can do um, in your doodles by giving you an idea that you can incorporate from your daily travels. Just look around and observe, and if you like something, incorporate it somehow in your doodles. So that's, I did a thicker. And here I added a little bit of the metrical interlude. And every so often just sit back and see if you're getting everything you need to do. And like I said, if you find areas that you want to skip, that's okay as well. You do you, and we'll all be happy. Just to have fun. My only problem is when I know I'm coming to an end of a section or a doodle, I want to continue adding in and seeing if I can add any more. So if you enjoyed the video, hopefully you'll subscribe, and if you do, hit the bell notification. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video, which is probably about once a week. I hope you enjoyed the video and got inspired to create a mosaic. Take care, and I will see you later. Bye.